Gwen Miller, author of Safe Movement for All Spines, and I just wanted to do a little video of how do you use my book. This book is meant to be a multi-level, multi-layered tool for people to help exercise safely and well and to move well, not only in an exercise environment, but also in real life, at home, at work, and doing the things that you love to do. So first of all, I want to let you know that I wrote the book intending it to be easy to understand and read. It's not dumbed down by any chance, but the technical language that's in it is referred to in a glossary in the back. So it has a glossary that has the terminology in it that we may not be familiar with. And it also has a really great index that the publisher put together. So any of the exercises or the terms that are in the book are in an index that can be looked up, and you can find where in the book it's referenced. First of all, it has 11 chapters, and it is in 3 sections. And so the sections are divided into flexion-intolerant, which means conditions where people are really not advised to bend forward from the waist. So that would be disc herniations and osteopenia or osteoporosis. And then it's got an extension-intolerant section. So if bending backward is uncomfortable or not advisable, such as in cases of arthritis in the spine, spondylosis, spondylolisthesis, different types of arthritis, that is in its own section. And then there's another section which contains information about SI joint dysfunction, sciatica, hypermobility, and scoliosis. So you can go to any place in the book, and each chapter stands alone. What I suggest doing is reading the introduction so you understand the intention of the book and how the chapters are laid out, and then read chapter 11. That's the language of healing. And the language of healing is my personal philosophy of working with people, including myself, who have experienced pain or injury or diagnoses that are frightening. And how can we make ourselves, treat ourselves gently and to speak to each other and ourselves in ways that facilitate a healing and positive environment. So it's just things to think about. There's no right or wrong. It is just my philosophy of how can we be loving to ourselves and to others. So I feel like that's a really important foundation to establish. So the book, when you get it, if you don't have a diagnosis and you do experience discomfort, like say for example, if bending backward bothers your back, you would just go to the extension-intolerant section, and you can pick up the book and read it anywhere, and then refer to the website, which is www.safemovementforallspines.com, and go to the exercises that are recorded. Each chapter has exercises in it that are clearly pictured with instructions. And I'm delighted that this is going to be also an audiobook. So you can actually look at the book and look at the pictures and look at the website, and then you will have me talking you through how to do them if you're more of an auditory learner. And I think a lot of us probably are. So I hope that helps, and I appreciate everybody who has supported the book. We have been on the Amazon bestseller lists for pain reduction and osteoporosis and sports injury rehabilitation for over a year now. And so it's just lovely that it's getting out there and being used in studios, clinics, doctors' offices, and in people's homes. Let me know if there's anything that you feel like needs to be added to the website, and I'm happy to record that for you. Have a wonderful day.